Hey lady, this is Allison Price with The Infused Life, and I've created this YouTube channel for you to teach you how to protect the place and the people that matter most. Did you know that the EPA estimates indoor air quality to be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air? Ew. And did you know that a woman can willingly expose herself to upwards of 500 plus chemicals and toxins a day? It's true. Depending what kind of products you are using on a daily basis for your personal hygiene routine, for your cleaning routine throughout the day in your home, dish soap, hand soaps, lotions, deodorants, etc., we are willingly exposing ourselves to numerous chemicals and toxins every day. So it's my mission to teach you how to protect the place and the people that matter most by sharing with you my most simple DIY recipes to replace products you're using regularly in your home, to replace them with a recipe that's simple, safe, and non-toxic. So join me here every week. There's a new upload every Wednesday. Check out what the new DIY video is and give me your feedback. Let me know what you're loving. Let me know what you're making at home and tell me how you are protecting the place and the people that matter most in your life.